Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saroj and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School Life at Campus Islamabad, and today I am sharing a short documentary review and the topic is Journey through the Solar System. Today we are going on an exciting adventure called Journey through the Solar System. Our solar system is a huge neighborhood in space. It is home to the sun, eight planets, their moons, asteroids, and comets, and many other spaces of it. Although it seems peaceful from Earth, it is full of incredible wonders waiting to be explored. So let's begin our journey from the center of the solar system, the Sun. The Sun is a giant ball of hot gas and the largest object in our solar system. It contains more than 99% of the solar system's total mass. The Sun gives us light, heat, and energy, making life on Earth possible. Without the sun, there would be no plants, no animal, and no human life. Now let's visit the plant that travels around it. Our first step is Mercury, the closest planet of the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It has no atmosphere to protect it, so temperature becomes extremely hot during the day and very cold at night. So next comes Venus, often called Earth's sister planet because it is almost the same size as Earth. However, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Thick clouds trap heat, making its surface even hotter than Mercury. Our third stop is our home. Earth. Earth is only known planet that support life. It has liquid water, fresh air, and the perfect temperature for planets, animals, and humans to survive. Earth also has one natural satellite, the Moon, which causes ocean tides and lights up our night sky. Next, we travel to Mars, also known as the Red Planet. Mars gets its red color from iron-rich dust covering its surface. Today, space agencies continue exploring Mars, searching for signs of ancient life and preparing for future human missions. So, before beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a region filled with millions of rocky objects of different sizes. The first is Jupiter, the largest planet is in our solar system. Next comes Saturn, one of the most beautiful planets. Saturn is known for its bright rings, which are made of billions of pieces of ice, rock, and dust. Our journey continues to Uranus, unlike the other planets, Uranus rotates on its side almost as it is rolling around the Sun. Finally, we arrived at Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is a cold, windy world with some of the fastest winds ever recorded in the solar system, even though it is a far away. Our solar system contains much more than planets. There are thousands of moons, millions of asteroids, and icy comets, and tiny space rocks called meteoroids. In conclusion, our solar system is an incredible place filled with beauty, mystery, and endless opportunities from discovery. The more we explore space, the more we learn about our universe and about ourselves. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the solar system. So I hope so you like it. This is my short documentary. Hope so you like it. Inshallah. Hope so. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda.